Can a bad camshaft position sensor cause a misfire? Have you ever wondered how a tiny sensor can impact the performance of your truck? Today, we are diving into the world of camshaft position sensors and their role in engine performance. Specifically, we will answer the question, can a bad camshaft position sensor cause a misfire? The camshaft position sensor is a key player in your engine's operation. It monitors the position and speed of the camshaft, sending this information to the engine control module. This module is responsible for managing the timing of fuel injection and spark plug firing. When everything is in sync, your engine runs smoothly. However, if the camshaft position sensor is malfunctioning, it can lead to incorrect data being sent to the engine control module. This can disrupt the timing of fuel injection and spark plug firing, which may result in engine misfires. Misfires occur when the fuel and spark do not ignite at the right moment, causing the engine to run unevenly. In trucks and 18-wheelers, where performance is critical, a misfire can lead to serious issues. You might notice symptoms like rough idling, stalling, or a decrease in fuel efficiency. These problems can be especially concerning when you are on the road, as they can affect both safety and performance. If you suspect that your camshaft position sensor is failing, it is important to address it promptly. Replacing a faulty sensor can help restore proper engine function and prevent further complications. The cost of a new camshaft position sensor can vary, but you might expect to pay between $100 and $300, depending on the make and model of your truck. Additionally, if you are considering performance upgrades for your truck, upgrading the camshaft itself can also be beneficial. A performance camshaft can improve engine efficiency and power, but it is essential to ensure that the camshaft position sensor is functioning correctly to maximize these benefits. In summary, a bad camshaft position sensor can indeed cause misfires by disrupting the timing of fuel injection and spark plug firing. Keeping this sensor in good working order is vital for maintaining the performance of your truck. If you experience any symptoms of a misfire, it is wise to have your camshaft position sensor checked and replaced if necessary. This simple step can make a significant difference in your truck's performance and reliability.